Alright, what's the story? We are out in Dalkey here today. I haven't shown you this gaff in a while. I've been leaving around the long frame because the work that has gone out here is fucking lethal. This is like our flagship. This is our baby at the moment. Dan's been sitting on this since fucking January, more or less. Just the one lad tipping away. We came in and broke the back of it before Christmas. We done the hip the gable. And we done the timber frame box was done after Christmas. That was the big one after Christmas. We broke out the garage roof. That was 100 mil of concrete. Broke that out, rejoisted it, and built the timber frame extension on the back. Done the hip the gable, and then we done the dormer on the back. All clad in copper. Dormer, window sills, timber frame extension. Some work's gone into here, so I'm going to bring you through and show you the crack. I'm not going to show you the whole house because I have to leave a little bit for you down the road. I'm just going to bring you to the bottom floor and what we done here today. So you can see these are the big sliders. Like, look at the size of them. Hit the point 0.5 there, Dan. Show them. I'm only 5. I'm 6 foot actually. Yeah, 6 foot. Yeah. So you can see the size of them compared to me. 6 foot. Huge. Then we have the large cladding, right? This is going on the extension out the back all the way around, and then it's going up on the gable wall. He got this from Longford, and it was actually milled and cut in Longford, but was cut in Enniskerry, so only 15 minutes down the road. Um, Blockwork went in, steels went in, a lot of steel went into the scaffold walk you through. So we have steel here, steel post down. You can see where we broke out the concrete pad here. That used to be the roof line there. We robbed a bit of head height in here, and we were able to match in with the floors then upstairs. If we had went on top of the concrete pad, that would have brought us above the floor levels inside there, because he wants to get at least 200 mil insulation in the floor here as well. Your man's huge on insulation in here. So walking here, not much to see in here. Temporary stairs went in, big steels here across the back. We done all this. We done the breakout. We done the steels, and we done all the timber. You can see now the fucking height in here. Now this will be built up. There's about 200 mil going on the floor here, but they're keeping the step down. So this will always have a step. There's 200 mil going on top of this. 200 mil going on top of that. There'll always be a step up in, but I think it's fucking lethal. He has a stove going in here. That's why we left the insulation out. So it'll be coming in. This is going to be like an A plus rating. I can guarantee that. Wait and you see the level of detail he's gone into, and this one is fucking mad. Now the client on this is the builder, the fucking architect. He's had to come up with everything himself. He's fucking on the ball with everything, and we're really happy to be mucking in with him. So look at this. We show him the window sills here as well. Copper. I'll show you the dormer up there. Yeah, the dormer's at the tone in black. It'll turn green now eventually. So we were out here today on the timber frame workshop. He's big into his carpentry as well. He has a workshop in Morgantown that he's actually getting rid of. He's building another one here. Has all the machines, everything he wants. Fucking deadly it is. So we'll walk you through and show you just the size of this place. Nice bit of land out in Dalkey. Imagine this is your back garden. Give him a spin in the back garden there, Jack. Oh, Jack. Fucking damn. So this is more or less what we've been at today. We have a steel to go in. You can show them the steels. That's what me and Dan are going at tomorrow. We have to get this wall in here tomorrow. We'll have to run short in 9B2. I have Pedro, a lad that I know that drives a lorry, grabbing 60 lengths of 9B2 for us. So we have a steel going across here to break the span. And we'll jump on the roof then tomorrow at some stage, I'd say, on Monday. And you can see the big gaff there now at the moment. Get out of the way, Jack. The dormer is starting to turn black on us now. It will turn green eventually. But it's just, I've never seen that. I haven't done much copper work, to be honest with you. I haven't been on many jobs that have copper. You can see where on the gable there where it's like the browny reddish colour, and then turning black. So that's obviously been out in the sun, and the elements a lot longer than the side. James Quinn still has to come back and do the side. All the parapets and all again done in copper as well on top of the large cladding. So that's the crack with us out here. We're going to get out of here, and I'll keep you updated. I'll give you a spin through the house properly as it goes on. There's insulation there, tightness. I could walk you through. Habbies wouldn't know what he's fucking looking at, and it looks a mess. So yeah, I'll just show you the exterior for now. I'll leave you be. I'm getting out here. Good luck.